Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over the best red team, blue team DIY Amazon cybersecurity tool build. If you're looking for a cheap, easy DIY hacking gadget project, this is it. This project is now part of my daily carry. So this thing completely surprised me when I first set this up. It's powerful, it's small, it's cheap. I was honestly blown away. Now the firmware we're going to be putting on this is called HaleHound. Now Jesse is the founder, and I got the pleasure of getting to know the guy, and what he ended up doing was squeezing every ounce of performance out of that cheap device, as well as sharing his discoveries that he made that helped boost the performance with the community instead of keeping it to himself. That selfless act alone is now making it more accessible for people all over the world to get their hands on their first hacking gadget by giving them a tool that they can learn cybersecurity hands-on in a fun, cool way. I'll leave a link in the description for the device, but this is known as the CYD, a cheap yellow display. The link will be in the description. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set this thing up. And right out of the gate, you get some really strong Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pen testing tools. Now, the really cool thing about this project is that it's expandable. Now, you can add so much more to this. Now, there's tons of community videos out there showing you how to do these really crazy builds, which gives them access to so much more pen testing features. But in this video, we're just going to focus on the bare bones, cheap DIY Amazon right out of the package project.
Before we start, this video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any illegal activity.
I want to try something a little different here. So I'm going to try to shout out a couple channels in the description. So everybody seems to have a different way of flashing the firmware, or they use different tools, or they have a different method of doing things. So I'm going to take this opportunity and shout some people out. I'll leave links to their videos in the description. In this video, I'm going to be using You Again Shout-Out's method of this installation. I'm going to go over this stuff really fast, and if you want a more detailed explanation, it will be in the description. First thing, you got to get to the GitHub page. I'll leave a link in the description for that, and you're going to click on HaleHound CYD. Now scroll down just a little bit until you see the green over here. It says HaleHound CYD. Click on whatever version that is and scroll down again. Now you're going to scroll down until you see all these files. Now don't panic, I'm going to help you. Click on the bootloader, click on boot app, and then you're going to click on the bottom here, partitions bin, and then you're going to click on HaleHound-CYD bin. Click on that, and just to show you all the files once again, here they are. Now we need to use a web ESP32 flasher. So now we're going to be using this Space Chicken website. It's Space Hunin, I'm not sure exactly. We're going to scroll down and click on the ESP32 web tool. Now you're going to click on that, and before you hit connect, go ahead and plug in your device. So make sure you hit both the boot and reset button at the same time, and then you should see this. Click on the device, click connect, and then once it's done connecting, you need to put the files in a certain way. So I'm just going to skip ahead to show you the exact order you need to put it in. Go ahead and take a screenshot of this. Now just hit program, hit continue, and let it flash. And once it's done, it doesn't really say anything, but if you look in the output, it says 100% finished, you're done. Now I had a battery laying around from a previous project, but if you don't have one, just unplug it and plug it back in, and the device should boot up for you. You have an option to calibrate the screen, or you can skip it. Now you're going to see a lot of options here, but only focus on the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi pen testing tools, because you need to add external parts to make this thing work with all those other features. Now I'm not going to go over all the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pen testing features. I'm just going to give you a couple of screenshots of what's there so you can do some research on your own. YouTube doesn't like me showing off some of this stuff, but I am going to show you one attack here. So I'm going to be doing Bluetooth spam. I'm doing this in a controlled environment, YouTube, so relax. So over 6 months ago, I ended up testing iOS 26 versus 5 Bluetooth spamming hacking gadgets at once. And the reason why I chose 5 is because one device barely did anything. Now these iPhones are updated with the latest iOS, and as you see, it's immediate. This thing is spamming an incredible amount of devices at once. Now it's not just the capabilities here, it's the performance of this device that blows me away too. Usually these cheap DIY gadgets are really slow and laggy, but he found a unique way to split up the processes on the device to make it smooth. Now, if you want to directly buy the kits on Jesse's website, you can. Now, eventually he's going to be doing full builds and selling the full builds. He's actually making me a custom device right now. You can't buy a fully put together device on the website just yet, but be on the lookout for it. And when it is available, I'll let you guys know. Now, I highly recommend you looking at the DIY kits because this is still very limited because you don't have all the components that you need to really take full advantage of this firmware. But this bare basic Amazon build is still special. Now, while I'm recording this video, I was just told some amazing news about this project. Now, this news is going to shake up the whole world of hacking gadgets. It kind of makes those gadgets that are in the hundreds of dollar range a little bit less interesting now. Now, I can't say too much more than that, but it's definitely going to expand its capabilities, and it's some really great news. And as of right now, the testing has been successful. So be on the lookout for the news, and make sure you subscribe and like all the people that I posted in the description. Show them some love. Show Jesse some love. Go check out his website. Definitely go check out his DIY kits, and make sure to be on the lookout for the full builds. I believe that HaleHound is the new community standard. I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section, and as always, do me a favor and remember that safety is an illusion.